So let me show you how do you write objects in the JSON. Okay, so we have seen arrays, right? Now we will see object. The object, we will see a basic object, like how you define an object, and then we will see an array inside an object. Okay, so the first thing, when you define an object, you need to have a key, right? An object that is defined in JSON doesn't have a key, right? But anything that you define inside the JSON, inside the curly braces, basically you need a key for it. Okay, so let's say you are defining a product details, right? This is a key, right? And the value of a key is an object, right? You cannot define like this, it will be error, because anything that you define inside the curly braces must be a key value pair. Key should have a double quotes and separate a value with a colon. That's basically syntax of JSON, right? So this is how you need to represent an object, and inside the object you actually write a key value pair. Okay, so I will define an integer first, then some name, then some price with decimal indication, let's say 0.67, right? Then I'll use the boolean value. Okay, and this is basically an object with the name, key name is product detail. So product detail value is an object. That's how you read it. Okay, now let's define an array within an object. So you close this with a comma, then you define another key value pair, and this time we define an array. Okay, so we say colors, then you define, so you're defining an array with square brackets. Okay, it's as simple as it. You don't need to put semicolon, sorry, you don't need to put comma here because this is the last entry. Even you don't have to put comma here because this is the last entry in the key value pair. Okay, so this is how you write an object, and then you write an array within an object.